To install the front table for your Weber pellet smoker or grill, you'll need a Phillips head or flathead screwdriver. Using the included hex key, remove the second screw from the top of each front leg. Using a Phillips head or flathead screwdriver, remove the third screw from the top of each front leg. Do not remove the top screw. Partially screw the included screws into the top hole of each leg. You'll need to leave space to hang the table brackets. Add a washer to the top post of each bracket. Hang the brackets on the grill using the keyhole slot with the posts facing in. Slide the table onto the left bracket. Rotate the right bracket to insert the posts into the front table so the table rests on both brackets. Make sure the brackets are flush against the sides of the table. Screw the remaining included screws into the bottom holes of the brackets. Tighten all 4 screws. You can also fold the front table down when it's not in use. Just lift with both hands and fold down. For more information, visit Weber.com or contact Consumer Care.